Hi, everybody. I just wanted to share one of my favorite topics with you, how to organize. And in this case, it's going to be in Google Classroom. I found some tips and tricks to keep you organized. So, the first thing that's helpful for you is if you go to the settings up here. One of the things that I noticed is helpful for some of you is right here where it says stream. Make sure that you have this on how the setting you would like. Either only teachers can post or comment so the kids aren't cluttering up your wall, or students can only comment, which means the teacher must propose a question first. So if you have kids that are writing on your wall and moving your assignments down, make sure you check those settings. Also, it's helpful right here, this classwork on the stream. It's defaulted to showing condensed notifications, which means that when I look at it, it's just going to be tiny little assignments. What I actually enjoy is to show the attachments and details right here. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like on the stream right here. And so when I see that now, you'll see that it'll give me like a link underneath, not just this one direction, but it'll give me the actual link. And that might be easier for parents who are looking for documents. Then another thing that's really helpful is if you go up to your classwork stream right here, what you can do is create different topics. And so what I would do is to create a new topic so that I have all of my classwork about technology. And that's a topic for me, and I'm going to create a topic called technology. And now you can see I have a technology kind of little part of my classroom. And then maybe I'm going to create a new topic here called reading. Okay, because those are kind of the big things I do. Now, from now on, you can assign your assignments to be in one of these topics. But if you want to go back, you can go and edit right here. So, like, this is my Google Skills Technology. And over here where it says topic, I am going to choose my internet safety. I'm sorry that you can't see it because of this right here. But I do have a classroom that is all organized. I did my third grade classroom. I moved everything and edited it. And so when my students go up to classwork and they look here, you'll see all my book documents in one place, all my internet safety and my project Lead the Way. They can also just click right here if they just want that one thing right here, and it'll kind of give you all those things. So if you want to sort by like, here's my daily announcements, here's my questions, here's my reading, here's my math. Using that topics is the way to go. And remember, you're going to go to the classwork and you're going to create a new topic. And then what you're going to do is each one you're going to go in and edit and add the topic so that it's sorted already, or just go moving forward so that you can tell your kids where to look. But those are just a couple of helpful hints in organizing your Google Classroom. Hope everybody's doing well.